welcome back to another video. So I am back with another fall look for you guys. Let me know if y'all want to see my Halloween tutorial, because I definitely recorded one. I did one and it actually turned out really good. I got a new chair and I just be twirling, y'all. This look was a little hard, but if you guys want to see me create this look, then make sure you guys keep watching. So I am not going to do much talking in this video. It's really just going to be a kind of watch me type of thing, because I'm literally using the same things that I use all the time. And yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and get into this look. So of course I'm gonna prime with my concealer. This one's the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer. I'm using both greens from the 39A palette. I took the darker one. I'm gonna pack this one in my crease first and then use this one to blend that one out. Y'all, look how bad my freaking eye crease. I'm over it. Did I not sit underneath my eyes? I just added glitter to my eye on accident. I forgot that brush had glitter in it. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of yellow or a little bit of gold up here to kind of bring out the green some more. So I definitely should have hopped on live and did this instead of recording, but it's okay. I'll hop on live eventually. I hope this is even with this one. I really can't tell for some reason. But I'm gonna go into my Glam Light paint palette. I'm taking the yellow, the orange, and the red, and I'm gonna pack those along the top of my crease. Please invest in some color eyeliners. I know Suba, I think that's how you say it. I think that's what it's called. They have some water activated ones. I really need to get some, because I'm tired of doing this. I'm gonna cut my crease again, and then I'm gonna wipe off the extra concealer and then cut it again. That way it's not creased and it's really nice and sharp. I'm gonna take the same colors and line them across my lash line. But first I'm gonna take this glitter pigment from Almost Cosmetics in the shade White Diamond and pack that all over. guys, so I just put on my lashes and I already put on some eyeliner. Under this eye crease so bad. I'm starting to think that I not set it on accident because it looks really, really bad. Like it doesn't like it's set at all. So I'm gonna take this really dark brown from the 39A palette and smoke that out underneath my eyeliner. That made it look a little better underneath there, but y'all, I don't know what in the world I did wrong today. But I'm gonna also take some yellow and bring it around and then add some orange. And I'm gonna take my large blending brush and just blend everything together. Taking the shade Gold from the paint palette and I'm putting that right in the inner corner. Yeah, I just set with this Pearl Essence Coconut and Rose setting spray. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed watching me create this look, then make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed to my channel for some more looks, and I'll see you guys in my next one.